Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this CR7 poster in Photoshop in an easy way. Let's get started. Follow my steps accurately and watch the tutorial until the end to get the perfect results. Create a new document. Next, create a solid black color for the background. Next, let's type the text. For this, use the Juventus fans font. I'll give the link in the description. Resize it and place in the center. Next, convert the text layer into a shape. Then, choose the direct selection tool and select the bottom of the text. Using the down arrow, pull the text downwards to get this stretch effect. Next, import the picture of Ronaldo and select the subject. And then take it to the text document and resize it and place it on the text. Then create a solid black color and create a clipping mask for it so that the picture of Ronaldo is completely black. Resize the image and place it correctly on the text. You can change the color as your wish, and you can still have the same effect. And there you have it, a cool CR7 poster in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.